You need to avoid these 4 things at all costs if you want to start a successful candle business. Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm the founder of Baroque Candle Co., a 6-figure candle company, and I'm here to help you with candle making, marketing, and everything in between. So you're just getting started in the candle business world. Here is the first thing that I would not do if I was starting out again. First thing I would absolutely avoid is don't just go with the first supplier that you find. For example, if you're looking for a wax supplier, you should definitely look local first. Wax costs a lot to ship because it can be pretty heavy. If you're just starting out and you aren't doing massive bulk orders yet, it can be way more cost effective if you pick up from a local supplier. It's the same thing for jars as well. There are a lot of glass suppliers that will make you think that you're getting a good price per piece, but then at the end, when you're checking out, they'll hit you with a huge shipping cost, so just be aware of that. Bottom line, do your research and compare your costs between companies, because this can be pretty tedious, but it can also save you a ton of money. Trust me, I've been there. Number 2, don't leave out back-end marketing channels. These are things like email and SMS marketing. These normally can be set up at one time, they don't take too long to set up, and they can lead to a lot of revenue in the long run. It may sound really intimidating if you've never set up an email flow or an SMS blast, but there are a ton of channels that make it really easy and are super user-friendly. Adding something as simple as a welcome email pop-up for your visitors can really make a difference to your revenue. With this type of marketing, you're facilitating a way better relationship with your customers than just Instagram. This is through emails and text messages, so you're practically guaranteeing that they're going to see your message rather than when you just post on social media. You don't know if they're actually going to see it every single time. So don't put this off until later. The quicker you set this up, the more emails and text messages that you can collect, which are going to set you up for success later. Number 3, don't avoid getting the small tools. I can't tell you how many shirts I've ruined spilling wax and fragrance on just because I felt like I didn't need an apron or it wasn't a complete necessity to get one. It's really simple tools like a wax funnel that helps make pouring way more precise so that you avoid spilling, and a Presto pot that makes melting wax way quicker that are going to help you out in the long run. It's really simple tools like these that can seem like a splurge at the time or like not a total necessity that will really make your life a lot easier and can help boost your morale. The good news is items like these aren't always super expensive and will last you a long time. Number 4, avoid posting the exact same content if it's not working. The best part about having all of these social media channels is that if your content is good, it will perform. So your goal should be to post a lot of content, sift through what's performing well, and pivot to move towards the direction of the type of content that's doing well for you. Live by the 80-20 rule. 80% of what you post might not work, but the other 20% will make up for that. Let's say you post 10 times and 2 of those videos are performing above average than your other posts. Let's figure out why. Was this video or photo more eye-catching than the rest? What sounds did I use? What hashtags was I using? Was there text on the screen? Were more people commenting more than usual? If so, try to figure out why they were commenting. At first, this is going to feel like a really tedious and annoying task, but this is the type of mindset that you need to have that's going to help put you on the upward trend that your business needs. Pro tip, you can reverse engineer. Scroll through the hashtags that represent your brand and see what other candle accounts are doing. Are they posting similar content or riding a specific trend? Please don't get this confused with copying. Taking other creators' styles is not going to help your brand. In fact, it'll hurt it. Use other creators' content as a type of research to see what type of content works and what doesn't. I hope there was something new that you were able to take away from this. These 4 things to avoid were all things that I had to learn personally through experience. So if you're just starting out and you're taking this advice, then you're probably off to a better start than I had. If you'd like to learn more in-depth tips, such as exactly what tools I use, from email and SMS marketing programs to my supplies and materials, then click the link below to see the Baroque Candle Co. program and be the first to see when it goes live.